Yes, hi student. Good morning. Yes, welcome back to our quadrilaterals. Yes, in the last session here, we have solved some of the questions from the work exercise 8.1. Yes, it is totally based on what? The properties of parallelogram. Yes, properties of parallelogram means this parallelogram is one of the quadrilateral. So based on that, he has given some of the questions we are solving here. Yes, just take here your fifth question. In last session, we have solved just 4 questions here. We will take the fifth one. What is that fifth question here? So that if the diagonals of the quadrilateral bisect each other at right angles, then it is a square. What it is? So that if the diagonals, what it is? Diagonals of the quadrilateral, what it makes? Bisect each other. Diagonals are bisect each other at right angle, then it should be a one of the square. Just remember the last day question means last day fourth question. What it is about? Yes, this is about so that the diagonals of the square are bisect each other at right angles. Anta koಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ? Yes, so that the diagonals of the square are equal as well as bisect each other at right angles. Yes, he has given yesterday this question. So now it's reverse question means reciprocal. Yes, here we have to do its reciprocal. Yes. So if the diagonals of the quadrilateral bisect each other at right angles, then it should be a one of the square. Just we will take a one of the block diagram here. Yes, this is a one of the quadrilateral A, B, C, D. Yes, here BD and AC are two diagonals. They are intersect each other at a point O. Yes, here we have to show that. Yes, show that this is a one of the square. And what are the things he has given here? Yes, here the diagonals are what? Bisect each other. Yes, the diagonals should be bisect each other means here OA equal to OC and OB equal to OD. And one more thing, they bisect each other at right angles. Understand? So all these angles are equal to what? 90 degree. Bisect each other at right angle means angle AOB, which is same as angle DOC. Yes, which is same as angle COD. Next one, it is same as angle DOA or AOD. They bisect each other at 90 degree. This is a given thing. Yes. So now we have to prove that this is a one of the square. So before going to show that this is a one of the square, we can conclude this is a one of the parallelogram. This quadrilateral should be one of the parallelogram. What are the conditions if the given quadrilateral should be one of the parallelogram? First, the opposite sides are parallel as well as equal. Yes, what is the condition for parallelogram? Opposite sides are equal as well as parallel. Yes. If you show first, if it is a one of the quadrilateral means it is one of the parallelogram, then what is the condition if your parallelogram becomes a square? Yes, one parallelogram agree. ಇದು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು? Yes. In a square, all four sides are equal. Here only opposite sides are equal as well as parallel. But in a square, all four sides are equal. Means we have to show that here AB which is equal to BC which is equal to CD equal to AD. And any one of the angle, any one of the interior angle of this parallelogram should be what? 90 degree. ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕ್ರಿ? ಈಗ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಐತಿ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to AD ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾಲ್ಕು ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅದ ಅದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಏನಿರಬೇಕು ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಎನಿ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಹೌ ಮಚ್ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಐತಿ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಎಸ್ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು ತಿಳಿತಲ್ರಿ, ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಿಲೇಟರಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ, ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಡಯಾಗ್ನಲ್ಸ್ ಬೈಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಯಾವ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ, at right angles are bisect again. This is a given thing. So now we have to prove that first this ABCD is a, we prove that ABCD is a one of the parallelogram. Yes, if even parallelogram is has all its sides are equal, then we can say this is a one of the square. And also if the parallelogram has, yes, then we prove that ABCD is a square. Yes, if you want ABCD is a square, your parallelogram should be what? Has all its four sides are equal. Let's take here parallelogram. Yes, in ABCD parallelogram, if AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to AD and any one of the angle, any one angle equal to is 90 degree, then it is a what? It is a one of the square. ಹಂಗಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕ್ರಿ, ಇವು ನಾಲ್ಕು ಸೈಡ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅದಾವ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕು. ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಎನಿ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ವಾಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಐತಿ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕ್ರಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲೋಗ್ರಾಮ್, ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಿಲೇಟರಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ಯಾರಲೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕು. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕ್ರಿ, ಪ್ಯಾರಲೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಐತಿ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿ. ಫಾರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ just two triangles of this given picture. What are those two triangles? Yes, just consider triangle AOB and triangle COD. Yes, I will take two triangles here, AOB as well as triangle COD. Yes, it is a COD and it is a AOB. What are the things are same here? Yes, in the triangle. Otherwise, take this picture here. Yes, here I will consider these two triangles. Yes, COD, AOB. Here in triangle AOB and triangle COD, what are the things are same here? Even OA equal to OC as well as OD equal to OB. OA equal to OC and one more thing, OB equal to OD. And just observe here, even these two angles are equal. Yes or no? Angle AOB which is equal to angle COD. AOB which is equal to COD. Why? Because vertically opposite angles. Then we can conclude triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD. Yes, triangle AOB which is congruent to the triangle COD. If these two are congruent, then its corresponding parts are equal. Then our third side AB which is same as CD. Yes or no? Then we can take AB is same as CD. Why? By using the CPCT, by AS congruence condition, these two triangles are congruent. Then by using the CPCT condition, these two sides are equal. Yes, these two sides are equal here. Just give this as the equation 1. Yes, and we can take angle OAB is same as angle OCD. These two angles are same. Why? Because if your DC and AB are, yes, here angle CD is same as angle A. Why? Because this is also by using the CPCT. If these two triangles are congruent, then we can take these two angles are equal. Yes. Then one more thing, angle what? OAB equal to angle OCD. OCD same by CP CP. Yes. Just observe here. Are these two alternate interior angles? Angle A as well as angle C are alternate interior angles. If your alternate interior angles are equal, then the respective lines are parallel to each other. Yes or no? Yes. So, and by using, then if these two are equal, this shows your AB it is parallel to what? CD. This is the equation 3. You can conclude now from equation 1 and 3. Your opposite sides are equal as well as parallel, means your quadrilateral ABCD is a one of the what? Parallelogram. Parallelogram is condition that opposite one pair of opposite sides are equal as well as parallel. Then the quadrilateral is a what? Parallelogram. So we can conclude now from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, your quadrilateral ABCD is a parallel. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಪ್ಯಾರಲೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನು ನಮ್ದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು, ಇವೆರಡು ಸೈಡ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಎನಿ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕು. ಎಸ್, ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಶೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ABCD ಒಂದು ಪ್ಯಾರಲೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಐತಿ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಹೆಂಗ್ರಿ? one pair of opposite sides are parallel as well as what? Equal. Then we can conclude your ABCD is one of the quadrilateral. Yes. Next we will take now. ಏನು ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕ್ರಿ? ಈ ನಾಲ್ಕು ಸೈಡ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅದಾವ ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕು. This is the first condition of the square. AB equal to BC equal to CB equal to D and ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕು. This is the first condition of the square. And next one more condition is any one of the angles should be 90 degree and ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕು. So first condition we will take here. Yes. Now I will take the triangles AOD and COD. Yes. In the triangle, from here onwards I will take. In the triangle, what? AOD and COD. AOD and triangle COD. Yes, just observe here in same already. Otherwise take a picture, a related picture. Yes, this is a what? Triangle AOD and it is a triangle COD. COD. AOD. In same already. Yes. OC is same as OA. And what are things are same here again? Are these two angles are equal? Why? Because they intersect each other at right angles. And if our OD is same as itself, then are these two triangles are congruent to each other? How then? We have two triangles congruent are respective corresponding parts are also equal. Andre your DCT same as AD. Yes, DCT same as AD. Already AB is same as CD. CD ಗೆ AB same ಐತಿ and CD ಗೆ AD same ಐತಿ. Then its opposite side also equal. Then we will get all four sides of this quadrilateral are equal. Yes, come here. In this triangle, OA equal to OC is a given thing and angle AOD which is equal to angle COD it is also given thing. Why? Because they intersect each other at right angles. Next one, your OD is same as OD because it is a common arm. Then we can conclude triangle AOD which is congruent to the triangle COD. Yes, if these two things are congruent, then we can say your AD is equal to CD by CPC. By CPC. Here, AB equal to CD, AD equal to CD. It implies your what? AB is same as CD. Yes or no? AB angles, these two angles are right angles, then we can conclude these two triangles are congruent. If these two triangles are congruent, respective corresponding chords are equal. Yesterday we have done one of the proof like this. Yes. Hangare AB equal to BC agata. If AB equal to BC, then we can conclude all four sides are equal. Otherwise, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು way ಬರೆ ABCD is one of the parallelogram ಅಂದಿರಿ. In a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal as well as parallel. Yes or no? Means AD it is parallel to BC as well as it is the opposite to AD. Then AD it is same as BC. Yes. Okay. This implies your AD it is same as BC because opposite side of parallelogram. Have it in shortcut. Yes. Then this implies all your four sides are equal. AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to AD. Once the proof okay. All its four sides are equal. Then one of the condition over. Then we have to prove one more condition is here. Any one of the angle is how much? 90 degree. ಯಾವುದರ ಒಂದು angle ಇದೆ 90 degree ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕು. Yes. Okay. Take here. Yes, for that purpose, I will select triangle ABC and BCD. Yes, in triangle ABC and BCD. In triangle ABC and triangle BCD, what are those two? ABC. Yes, this is a right angle ABC and one more triangle BCD, BC and D. Just observe here what are the things are saying. Your AD is same as what? BC and CD is same as CD, common now. Already you know diagonals are equal. Then by using the S congruence condition, we can prove these two triangles are congruent. If these two triangles are congruent, the respective corresponding chords are equal means your angle C is same as angle D. Yes or no? Angle C is same as angle D. Yes, shall we take this one? Yes. In triangle ABC and BCD, what are the things are saying? AD is equal to what? BC and CD equal to CD, common arm. Next, your AB equal to BD equal to AC. BD equal to AC. Why? Because the diagonals are equal here. And we can say triangle ABC is congruent to the triangle BCD by S congruence condition. If these two triangles are congruent, the corresponding chords are equal. Means angle ADC it is equal to angle BCD by CPCD. Yes, by CPCD these two triangles are what? Congruent to each other. If these two triangles are congruent to each other, the corresponding chords are equal. Then, ಈಗ observe ಮಾಡಿ in a quadrilateral, it is an angle B, it is an angle C. Yes, angle C. If your ADB is parallel to BC, then what about the BC here? It is a transversal. AB is parallel to BC and BC is a transversal. AD parallel to AD is parallel to BC and what about the DC here? DC is a transversal. Then the angles which lies on the same side of the transversal are supplementary to each other. Then angle ADC plus angle BCD is how much? 180 degree. ADC plus angle BCD is how much? 180 degree. And already we proved ADC equal to BCD. Any one of the angle we can take here. 2 times of ADC plus ADC is 2 times of ADC equal to how much? 180 degree. Then your angle ABC how much? 90 degree. Have you proved all your things? Yes. Any one of the angle of this quadrilateral is what? 90 degree and all its four sides are equal. Then we can conclude ABCD is a one of the square. ABCD is square. Is a square. Okay. ನಿನ್ನೆ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅದರ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಡಯಾಗ್ನಲ್ಸ್ ಬೈಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ ಆಮೇಲೆ ರೈಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬೈಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಈಗ ಡಯಾಗ್ನಲ್ಸ್ ಬೈಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ ರೈಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹಂಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಐತಿ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀವಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ ದ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ Yes, I hope you have written. Next we will go to sixth question. Yes, next question. Diagonals of diagonal AC of a parallelogram. Yes, AC is a one of the diagonal of a parallelogram ABCD. If it bisects angle A, yes, your ABCD bisects the angle A means AC ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ ABCD ನ angle A ಒಳಗೆ bisect ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ bisects A then we have to show that AC also bisects the angle C and one more thing we have to do here your ABCD this ABCD is a one of the rhombus ABCD ಏನು ತೋರಿಸೋಕೆ rhombus ಐತಿ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸೋದು what is the condition for rhombus if your parallelogram becomes a rhombus what is the condition yes in a rhombus all four sides of the rhombus are equal yes ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾಲ್ಕು ಸೈಡ್ಗಳು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅದಾವ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ rhombus ಆಗುತ್ತೆ this parallelogram becomes a rhombus ಆಗುತ್ತೆ then ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಏನ್ರಿ ಇದು AC angle A ನ bisect ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ same AC also bisect the angle C ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ yes this is our thing here yes now if your AD is parallel to BC why these two are parallel because it is a parallelogram yes here AD is parallel to BC and your AC is a transversal yes take here AB it is parallel to BC and AC is a transversal what about these two angles here angle DAC and angle BA angle BCA these two are alternate interior angles and same way if you take the angles these two yes these two angle DAC as well as BCA are equal and same way angle BAC and DCA also equal yes if you take BC and AD are parallel as well as AC is a transversal yes here these two angles are alternate interior angles so these two are equal yes it is a AD and it is a BC and here okay take here angle yes it is quadrilateral let's take here ABCD is a parallelogram if it is a parallelogram then its opposite sides are parallel to each other AD is opposite to BC these two are parallel and angle DAC is same as BCA angle DAC is equal to angle BCA and same way if your DCD is parallel to AB and AC is a transversal here DCA is equal to angle DAC angle DCA is equal to angle BAC yes we can take this is an one this is equation 2 and one more thing you know if AC bisects the angle A means here are these two angles are equal angle DAC is equal to angle BAC. Angle DAC which is equal to angle BAC. This is the third one. Yes, here we can take, if these two angles are equal, then angle DAB is same as BCD. So let it be. If these two angles are same and these two angles are also same, yes or no? So from equation 1, 2 and 3 we can conclude angle BCA is same as BCA. Angle BCA is equal to angle BCA. This implies AC bisects the what? AC bisects the angle A. Means the AC which divides the angle A into two equal angles. Divides the angle A into two equal angles. And one more thing we have to prove here. Equal ABCD is a one of the rhombus. ABCD is a rhombus. Yes. Okay. See here. Already you got from the equation here DAC equal to BAC. Yes, we got already angle DAC which is equal to BAC. Yes, these two angles are DAC which is same as BAC. These two angles are equal here. Yes, if these two angles are equal, even DA equal to DC. DA which is equal to DC. Yes, DA which is equal to DC. If DA is equal to DC, then its respective opposite sides are also equal here, because this is one of the parallelogram. Yes, however, your ABCD is a parallelogram. If it is a parallelogram, then opposite sides are equal. Yes, your DC it is opposite to AB and it is also equal. And same way, your AD it is opposite to BC and equal. This implies from this equation 4, your AB it is same as BC, it is same as CD, it is same as what? A. If all four sides of the quadrilateral means parallelogram equal, this shows your ABCD is a rhombus. Your ABCD is one of the rhombus. Yes, it is too easy as well as very short one. Just pause the video and take it. Okay. Next, the seventh question here. What is the seventh question? It is the same way ABCD is a rhombus kottari, so that the diagonals AC bisects the angle A. ಏನು ಮಾಡರಿ ಅವರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರಲ್ಲ rhombus ಅಂತೇಳಿ AC ಅನ್ನೋದೊಂದು diagonal, ಇದು angle A ನ bisect ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ, and as well as angle C, A ಮತ್ತು C ನ ಎರಡನ್ನೂ bisect ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ ಅಂತಾರ, and diagonals BD bisects the angle B and D ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಶೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರಿ ABCD is one of the what rhombus. Here A B C D and AC is a diagonal and BD is another diagonal. Show that AC bisects the angle A as well as angle C, and same way BD bisects the angle B as well as angle D and the prove ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. It is the same like this one. I hope you can do. Are you ready? Okay. And same way 8th one, ABCD is a rectangle. ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರೆ ABCD ಅನ್ನೋದೊಂದು rectangle ಐತಿ, in which diagonals AC bisects angle A as well as angle C. You have to show that ABCD is a one of the square. ABCD is a one of the square. You can do that. And also diagonals BD bisect the angle B as well as D. In the seventh question, ABCD is a one of the rectangle kottara. Yes, AC and BD bisect the AC bisects the angle A as well as angle C antandara, and BD bisects the angle B as cylinder B ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ then you have to show that this is a one of the square, and also what we have to do that diagonals BD also bisect the angle D as well as angle D ಅಂತ prove ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Those two are very similar to this question. I hope you can do. Yes. And next question 9, 10 and 11, 12 we can discuss in the next session. After that, take care, and once again your own you have to try to solve this. Yes, take care. Bye bye.